Welcome Kasturians. In this video, we will discuss chapter 2 of history, that is writing and city life. So, as we see, it was the Mesopotamian civilization that flourished around 5000 BCE, and this Mesopotamia is modern day Iraq. It is actually derived from, this word Mesopotamia is derived from a Greek word which means the land between two rivers, that is the river Tigris and Euphrates. These were the two rivers, and in between these two rivers this Mesopotamian civilization it flourished, and it was actually a flat plain land, and the excavation work started about 150 years ago. In the Mesopotamian civilization, the Sumer region was the lower part, and it was basically in this part that the most of the findings and most of the developments and advancements they took place in this Sumer region, and that's why this region is also known as the heart of the civilization. The Sumerians, they first developed the Mesopotamian civilization, and that's why this civilization is also known as the Sumerian civilization. There were three types of cities in Mesopotamia, that is the religious city, the commercial and the royal cities. Ur, Lagash, Kish, Uruk and Mari were some important cities of this civilization. Mesopotamian soil was very fertile, but it was the agriculture that was threatened because of the natural causes, and wheat, barley, peas and lentil were the main crops that were grown. It was based on a definite plain, and the slavery it also existed in the Mesopotamian civilization. There were war prisoners, the children which were sold by their parents, and those who failed to pay their debt. All these three kinds of slaves were there, and they were ill treated. There were three classes. The social division comprised of three classes, that is upper class, the middle class and the lower class. The nobles or the ruling class were the royal people and high administrative officials. They were all included in the upper caste, or they composed of the upper class. These people of the upper class, they led a luxurious life. The second class of the society included the merchants, the traders, the landlords, artisans and craftsmen. The slaves, being the lowest portion of the society, they were included in the lower class. The slaves, since they were belonging to the lower class, so all the odd jobs or the low categorized jobs in that Mesopotamian civilization, these were all performed by the slaves. Main animals which were domesticated in this civilization were cows, goat, oxen and sheep. Hammurabi was the ruler of Mesopotamia. He was known as Hammurabi the Great during the period of 2067 to 2025. And Hammurabi, he created a code of conduct. There were 282 codes in numbers, and they covered almost every aspect of life. Now we will see some famous towns of Mesopotamia, that is Uruk. In today's video we will discuss about Uruk and Ur. Uruk was founded by Suleiman ruler and Merkar, and he constructed the temples of goddess Inanna. Whereas Ur, it was established by Masenpeda, and he made a trading town, a well famous trading town, as well as a well known port in Mesopotamian civilization. How we came to know is the excavation work which tells us about Uruk. It was started by Julius Jordan in 1913, and for Ur The excavation of town, it was carried out by J.E. Taylor in 1854 and 55. So that's all we have in this video. In the coming videos we will discuss about more towns of Mari, Kish and Lagash. Thank you. Have a nice day.